Outspoken former legislator Themba Mliswa is launched yet another explosive claim, this time alleging that Phil Mogu and ZANU Central Committee member KUTYA has captured Zimbabwe's military and is being prepared to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Salamina Mashoko, Mliswa drops another missile. Do subscribe or like on the bell icon. The claims surfaced in a leaked audio of a private conversation between Mliswa and businessman Agrippa Mupela Masia Kurima, released on Thursday. The leak comes just days after Mliswa's rural home in Shirogwe was torched by unknown assailants in what police confirmed as a suspected arson attack. Mliswa described it as an assassination attempt linked to his persistent calls for accountability in government. In the recording, Mliswa alleges that Mnangagwa has secured the loyalty of the armed forces through Tagure's financial muscle. He claims that the hundreds of vehicles delivered to the Zimbabwe Defense Forces (ZDF) last week were not government funded, as Mnangagwa announced, but were supplied by Tagure. In quotes, Mnangagwa will leave someone he trusts to look after his interest, and that's Kuda, Mliswa is yet saying. There is no coup that has ever happened in Zimbabwe. Just check military bosses were given 100 cars. Those are Kuda's cars. Mliswa further alleges that ZDF Commander General Philip Valerius Vanda salutes Tagure when he passes by. He claims at least 500 vehicles will be distributed not only to top brass, but also to colonels, captains, and majors. A strategy he described as good politics, since mid-ranking officers are the backbone of the military. Masia Kurima said he recorded the conversation after rejecting what he described as Mliswa's offer to join a campaign begging Tagure. He alleged that Mliswa demoed promises of cash, vehicles, and business support in exchange of loyalty. In quotes, when I realized the money was coming with conditions, I refused. My morals and principles would not allow me to be a sellout, Masia Kurima said. I just wanted to show Zimbabweans that Themba goes to the highest bidder. He has been recruited by Tagure to do smear campaigns against Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. In response, Mliswa accused Masia Kurima of betrayal, writing on X. He said, Masia Kurima, it violated the sanctity of a private discussion. As for you, Popela, I considered you a brother and friend and tried to help. We ate and took children to school together. Unfortunately, you had other ideas to please who I don't know. Next time, leak the whole conversation, not what you think are favorable positions. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa ine ma other missiles arubuda pangwa ine achilika ma conversations are Themba Mliswa. Pina comment section medu buzima funguro enyi matundi pa msari pa chituko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.